what the mind creates, a canvas alive with shifting fates. Thoughts are seeds in the garden of time. Plant them well and watch them climb.
Dreams whisper truths the world can't see. Turn the key, unlock destiny. Each step forward ripples in space. A thought can rebuild or erase. The mind is the master, it holds the key. Shape your world in the way you see. Build a palace where fear can't stay. Let your truth light the way.
Clouded skies clear when you believe. Hope's a gift you've got to retrieve.
The power's within, just let it flow. Fuel the fire, watch it grow. Every stumble is a chance to rise. With each fall, you're one step wise. Harness the chaos, breathe in deep. What you sow is what you'll reap. The mind is the master, it holds the key. Shape your world in the way you see. Build a palace where fear can't stay. Let your truth light the way.